Time travel has long been a captivating concept in science fiction, but what if we took a moment to explore its hidden economics? Imagine a world where time travel is not just a fantasy, but a reality. The financial implications of such a breakthrough could be staggering, reshaping our understanding of wealth, labor, and even inflation. In this intriguing exploration, we'll delve into how time travel could disrupt traditional money systems and challenge our perceptions of value. Consider the possibilities. If individuals could travel back in time to invest in stocks before they skyrocket or purchase rare collectibles at their original prices, the very foundation of our economy would be shaken. The rich could become richer, while the average person might struggle to keep up with the rapidly changing financial landscape. This raises critical questions about fairness and equity in a world where time itself can be manipulated for profit. Moreover, the implications extend beyond personal gain. Time travel could lead to a new form of currency, one that values experiences and knowledge over material possessions. Imagine a society where the most valuable asset is not money, but the ability to navigate time effectively. As we embark on this engaging journey through the hidden economics of time travel, we'll uncover how these sci-fi elements could intertwine with real-world financial systems, challenging our understanding of economics as we know it. So, buckle up as we explore the fascinating intersection of time travel and economics, and what it could mean for our future. The concept of time travel has fascinated both scientists and storytellers for decades, rooted in a blend of theoretical physics and imaginative speculation. At the heart of this discussion are several scientific theories that propose the feasibility of time travel. One of the most notable is Einstein's theory of relativity, which suggests that time is not a constant but can be affected by speed and gravity. According to this theory, as an object approaches the speed of light, time slows down relative to an outside observer, hinting at the possibility of traveling forward in time. Key figures in theoretical physics such as Kip Thorne and Stephen Hawking have made significant contributions to our understanding of time travel. Thorne, a Nobel laureate, explored the idea of wormholes, hypothetical passages through space-time that could connect distant points in time and space. Meanwhile, Hawking famously proposed the chronology protection conjecture, suggesting that the laws of physics might prevent time travel to the past to avoid paradoxes. The intersection of science fiction and economic theory adds another layer to the discussion of time travel. Many sci-fi narratives explore the economic implications of altering past events, such as the potential for creating wealth or the consequences of changing historical outcomes. These stories often serve as cautionary tales about the ethical dilemmas and economic disruptions that could arise from manipulating time. As we delve deeper into the theoretical framework of time travel, we uncover not only the scientific principles that make it conceivable but also the rich tapestry of economic and ethical questions that emerge from this captivating concept. When we think about time travel, it's easy to get lost in the fantastical elements. But the economic principles at play are equally fascinating and complex. One of the most significant dynamics affected by time travel would be the classic concept of supply and demand. Imagine if individuals could travel back in time to acquire scarce resources or products at their original prices. This sudden influx of goods into the market could drastically shift supply curves, leading to an oversupply of certain items and a corresponding drop in their value. Conversely, if time travelers sought to purchase items from the past, demand could skyrocket, creating a unique market for historical artifacts and experiences. Moreover, time travel could fundamentally alter market equilibrium and pricing strategies. Businesses would need to adapt to a reality where consumers could potentially access goods from any point in time. This could lead to innovative pricing models, where prices fluctuate based on temporal availability, rather than traditional supply and demand metrics. Companies might even develop strategies to capitalize on time travel, offering exclusive products or experiences that can only be accessed at specific moments in history. The implications for inflation and currency value would also be profound. If time travelers could manipulate the past, they might inadvertently create inflationary pressures by introducing modern currency into historical economies. This could destabilize currencies and lead to unpredictable economic outcomes. As we explore these economic principles, it becomes clear that the intersection of time travel and economics presents a rich landscape of possibilities and challenges that could redefine our understanding of value and exchange. The advent of time travel technology would undoubtedly lead to significant market disruptions across various industries. One of the most affected sectors would be the collectibles and antiques market. If individuals could travel back in time to acquire rare items, the value of these collectibles could plummet, as the supply would increase dramatically. Similarly, the real estate market could face upheaval, with time travelers potentially purchasing historical properties at original prices, altering the landscape of property values and investment strategies. However, with disruption comes opportunity. New markets could emerge, catering specifically to time travelers. For instance, businesses could offer curated experiences that allow individuals to visit specific moments in history, creating a demand for time travel tourism. Additionally, industries focused on historical research and preservation might thrive, as people seek to understand and experience the past in a more immersive way. Companies could also develop technologies and services aimed at ensuring safe and ethical time travel, creating a whole new sector dedicated to time travel logistics. Yet, the ethical implications of exploiting time travel for financial gain cannot be overlooked. The potential for individuals to manipulate historical events for personal profit raises serious moral questions. Would it be ethical to alter the past for financial advantage, potentially impacting countless lives? This dilemma could lead to the establishment of regulations governing time travel, similar to those in place for financial markets today. As we analyze these potential market disruptions and opportunities, it becomes clear that time travel could reshape not only our economy, but also our ethical frameworks, challenging us to consider the responsibilities that come with such extraordinary power. Science fiction has long served as a fertile ground for exploring the economic implications of time travel, offering us a glimpse into how such technology could reshape our world. Notable films like Back to the Future and The Time Machine, as well as books like The Man Who Folded Himself, provide rich narratives that illustrate various economic concepts tied to time travel. In Back to the Future, for instance, Marty McFly's use of the DeLorean to alter events in the past raises questions about market dynamics and the unintended consequences of changing historical outcomes. The film cleverly showcases how even minor alterations can lead to significant shifts in wealth distribution and social status. Similarly, The Time Machine explores the long-term effects of time travel on society and economy, depicting a future where class divisions have evolved dramatically. This reflects real-world economic theories, such as those related to wealth inequality and the impact of technological advancements on labor markets. The stark contrast between the Eloi and Morlocks serves as a cautionary tale about the potential consequences of unchecked economic disparities. As we analyze these fictional scenarios, it's essential to encourage viewers to think critically about their plausibility. While these stories are entertaining, they also prompt us to consider the complexities of economic systems and the ethical dilemmas that could arise from time travel. By examining these case studies, we can better understand how science fiction not only entertains, but also challenges us to reflect on our economic realities and the potential futures that lie ahead. As we look ahead, the prospect of time travel shifts from the realm of science fiction to a tantalizing possibility, driven by advancements in technology. Innovations in quantum physics and theoretical frameworks such as the concept of wormholes or the manipulation of space-time suggest that time travel may not be as far-fetched as it once seemed. As researchers continue to explore these frontiers, we could be on the brink of breakthroughs that make time travel a reality, fundamentally altering our understanding of time and space. The economic consequences of such a development would be profound. Imagine a world where individuals could travel back to invest in stocks before they soar or purchase real estate at historical prices. This ability could create a new class of wealth, where those with access to time travel could amass fortunes, exacerbating existing inequalities. Global economies might experience volatility as time travelers disrupt markets, leading to unpredictable inflation rates and shifts in currency values. Moreover, the long-term effects on individual wealth could redefine our concepts of savings and investment. If time travel allows for the manipulation of financial outcomes, traditional economic models may need to be reevaluated. As we speculate on the future of time travel, we encourage viewers to envision their own scenarios. How would you navigate a world where time travel is possible? Would you seek to alter your past, or would you focus on the future? By contemplating these questions, we can better understand the potential implications of time travel, not just for our economies but for our lives and the fabric of society itself. In this exploration of the hidden economics of time travel, we've delved into a fascinating intersection of science fiction and economic theory. We discussed how time travel could disrupt traditional market dynamics, particularly through shifts in supply and demand, and how it might alter pricing strategies and currency values. We also examined the potential market disruptions and opportunities that could arise, highlighting industries most affected and the ethical implications of exploiting time travel for financial gain. Understanding these economic concepts within a fantastical context is crucial, as it allows us to reflect on our current economic systems and the potential consequences of technological advancements. The scenarios we've explored serve as thought experiments, prompting us to consider not only the possibilities of time travel, but also the responsibilities that come with such power. As we wrap up, we encourage you to engage with this intriguing topic further. What are your thoughts on the economic implications of time travel? How do you envision a world where time travel is possible? We'd love to hear your ideas in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to dive deeper into more captivating discussions about science, economics, and the intersection of the two, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also be fascinated by the possibilities of time travel. Together, let's continue to explore the extraordinary and challenge our understanding of the world around us. Thank you for watching.